We're gonna be riding camels soon enough. Taj Mahal camels. Okay, on our way to the Taj Mahal. Down the road. Ask this guy where it is. Excuse me, do you know where the Taj Mahal is? I guess I startled him. It's okay. You can tell me later. I guess he doesn't want to tell me. Or maybe he does.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
They got some big ass monkeys here.
God.
Some really big monkeys.
Monkey shit, monkey shit.
Monkey shit? Oh. Well, excuse me, I didn't say that. Okay. Maybe this guy knows where Taj Mahal is. Let's go.
These monkeys are gonna jump on you like
Go
they
ask
did.
these guys.
Can't save you.
Excuse me, do you know where the Taj Mahal is? No thanks. Where's the Taj Mahal? Okay, he pointed that way. So it's that way.
Okay, let's go here. It's dusty then.
Okay. That was pretty crazy. Never go behind a monkey and startle him. No, thank you. No, thank you. We're good, we're good. Here come the sails.
We can go in the Taj Mahal without stop. That's what this kid is saying.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay. It's okay, thank you.
No entry, madam, compulsory. Shoes covered over the shoes.
Hey!
Stay with me. Okay guys, whenever you're gonna ask a monkey for directions, make sure you don't sneak up behind them and scare them, because they don't like that. Stay with me. How are you? Good? Nice weapons. Take care. Bye. Alright, first of all, when you get your ticket, it's 750 rupees per person if you are a foreigner. If you are an Indian, it is 20 rupees per person. So, huge difference. Like, completely ridiculous, but I don't know. Maybe it's not. I don't know what to say. But they do provide you with a tour guide. This is our tour guide. What's your name?
My name is Adi.
Adi. Adi's the tour guide, and he's going to show us around Taj Mahal. They give you socks to wear and a couple bottles of water. So here we go into the Taj Mahal. Stay with me.
So, ladies, the last one. The ladies, so one ticket given the ma'am.
Ladies here on the
Yeah,
other
yes,
side.
I'll take one. I need one. I need one.
one ticket.
Another thing you might want to know is that tripods are not allowed. I had a tripod probably less than 10 centimeters long, and they've taken it from me because they have a rule about no tripods. And this is what you go through when you come here. So I guess some pretty heavy security going on. There we go. And I guess they have reasons to have the security this heavy. With a lot of the issues between India and Pakistan. There was an attack not too long ago, about a month ago I understand, up in Punjab. So anyway, they're very, very cautious. I've been seeing a lot of security, military security everywhere, from the airports, the bus stations, to you name it. Anyway.
Somewhere 2 and 3 years ago. So have a look at the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal, a little bit in the distance
inside,
there.
and that one is the main entry gate on the Taj Mahal.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hold on, I just want to take some photos.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to be taking our time.
No problem, no problem.
You don't have to stay with us the whole time, though. You know, we can, at some point, you can just take off.
Yeah, so how many days in Agra?
Just today.
Just today.
Yeah.
1.5 hours is a complete, 2 hour maximum. And after you